Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing a makeup look. Nakita nyo naman sa title, di ba? I've been noticing that a lot of people are going for like physical enhancements. They are seeking the help of professionals like doctors, surgeons to improve their face. And naisip ko lang na why not do a makeup look that's actually inspired by the process of plastic surgery, being someone who is nowhere near doing it personally because I don't think I'll ever change anything on my face. Like, I'm satisfied with how I look. So, naisip ko I'm gonna do a makeup look na parang plastic surgery inspired na hopefully after this video, pag nakita na natin yung final look, magiging iba na yung itsura ko from now to later. So, we'll see. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna do my face makeup. I'm going to prime my face with this YSL Touche Eclat Blur Primers. Okay, so for foundation, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear, 24-hour Fresh Wear. I usually get around 1.5 pumps. For my concealer, I'm just gonna use this JCAT Contour Quad Concealer. So, syempre, ito yung lightest shade. So for powder, I'm gonna use this Fashion 21 loose powder, which I've been enjoying lately. I definitely like this more than the Nichido final powder. Kasi ito, hindi siya talaga nagkikrease sa akin. And maganda yung, ano niya on my face. Yung lapat niya sa face ko. So I really like this one more. Okay, so I'm just gonna do my eyebrows off cam and I will be right back. So my brows are on. I did it quite differently. Ewan ko kung halata nyo. Pero iba siya. Iba yung shape because that's what we're going for today. So, now what we're going to do is, I'm gonna do my eye makeup first. I'm not gonna do anything that's, I don't know. Mahirap magsalita pala ng boss. I'm going to use the Sultry Palette and I'm gonna start off with this shade. It's called Fresh. I'm gonna use this to set the eyelids. Although, naset ko na siya with powder just to be sure. And then using the same brush, I'm going to take this shade. It's called Twig. And I'm gonna buff that all over the crease. Alright, so I'm going to take Dystopian shade right here, and I'm gonna put that on the outer corner of my eyes. Then I'm gonna take a clean blending brush and just gonna blend this part. So now what I'm going to do is I'm taking Steampunk, this gold shade right here, and I'm gonna put that all over my eyelids. And then I'm going back to Dystopian to put more on the outer corner of the eyes. I'm going back to Twig, this brown shade right here, and I'm just gonna put more on the crease. And then going back to my clean brush and just blending it out. Alright, and then I'm going back to Dystopian, this shade right here, and I'm also gonna put that on the outer, no, on the waterline or lower lash line. Pero hanggang sa center lang. Hindi ko siya papaabutin hanggang sa malapit sa tear duct. Now, I'm going to take Steampunk, the gold shade that we used. I'm just going to apply that also on the waterline. So before I put on my inner corner highlight and everything else, we're going to finish off the rest of the face. Okay, I feel like yung crucial part dito sa ating plastic surgery makeup is yung sa contour and all that. Kasi yun yung mga kapagpabago talaga ng shape ng nose, shape ng face, diba? So what I'm going to do is, I'm gonna get my trusty Careline strobe stick. You've seen on my channel a lot of times. I want to use a buffing brush like this and start blending this. Kung nahalata nyo, mas marami yung nilalagay ko than the usual. Diba usually hanggang dito ko lang yan nilalagay, pero ito talagang tinodo ko siya hanggang sa pababa. Kasi again, we want to achieve a chiseled face or na mag-iba yung korte talaga ng face ko. So, that's why. So, for my nose, I just want it to be really like straight and mas matangos tingnan. So, yun yung ginagawa ko ngayon. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and get a powder bronzer. So, I'm just gonna take the NARS Laguna and contour the nose pa from here down. Who needs a nose lift if you have NARS Laguna? And then for all over my face, I'm also gonna use this and just to set the bronzer that we used. I mean the cream bronzer that we used. So for the blush, I'm just gonna use the blush from this e.l.f. palette. So pagko-combinein ko lang sila. Taking a pressed powder, so this is the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm just gonna put a bit of powder here para mas ma-define yung sa nose line. And then I'm gonna go back to the bronzer that we used and ilaline ko siya ulit. See? Mas naging parang slim yung aking nose. Let's add more here. And for highlight, I'm just gonna use the Maybelline Master Chrome. Okay, so hindi pa pala ako tapos sa eyes kasi hindi pa ako nag-eyeliner. So that's what we are going to do. So taking my JCAT eyeliner that I always use. Just gonna do a winged line. So, ayan na siya. Yan na yung ating face. Maglalagay lang ako ng inner corner highlight. So, I'm gonna use Bloom. And ito, lately, ganito yung ginagawa ko. Hindi ako naglalagay ng usual champagne, gold, dito sa inner corner highlight. What I love doing is I put pink eyeshadow dito sa aking tear duct area. And then, pinapatungan ko siya ng shimmery eyeshadow. See? Kita nyo? Mas gumanon siya, diba? And then, what I'm going to do next is get Actually, pwedeng ito, pwedeng champagne shade, pwedeng medyo may pagka-pink, and also put that on where I placed si Bloom. Okay, so now we are down to our lips. And for the lips, ito, ang lips ko, it's very thin. Masyado siyang manipis. As you can see, parang wala na akong upper lip. So, gusto ko siyang gawing a little bit fuller, pero mag-nude lipstick ako today. So, what I'm going to do first is I'm gonna take a lip liner. So, I'm gonna use Spice from MAC. So, now I'm gonna go and get my lipstick. I'm just gonna use this. This is Dreamy from MAC. I know. This is Dreamy from ColourPop. Yeah, I have fuller lips. So, that's it. Just gonna let it dry and I will be right back. Full lips. Cinch nose na medyo tabingi, pero okay lang yan kasi may meron naman talaga mga plastic surgery job na hindi pantay yung sa ilong, 'di ba? Pero as you can see, sobrang cinch nung aking nose and yung eyes ko parang gumanon siya. And yeah. Yeah, so this is our final makeup look. So there you have it, guys. This is our final makeup look. Sana nagustuhan niyo itong ating fun makeup tutorial. But yeah, I had fun doing this makeup look, and the message that I wanna impart or get across with this video is really that I know that plastic surgery is very much accepted now in our society, and a lot of people, even the people that we know personally, they are getting it. They're getting things done on their face. And if you're one of those people na you're thinking about having something enhanced sa mukha mo or sa katawan mo, I want you to first look at the mirror and tell yourself na God created you and God never makes mistakes. So, how He created you, for Him, you are perfect. And I want you to tell yourself that, na how God created you in His eyes, hindi man sa mata ng society, because society is setting a different standard of beauty, and beauty is very subjective, diba? But that in the eyes of God, you are beautiful, and pag-isipan mo muna if it's really worth it to go under the knife just to feel good about yourself. Maybe a little eyeshadow, more contour, overlining your lips, contouring your nose. Maybe these steps will already make you feel better without, spending thousands and thousands of pesos just to, look different, right? So, yun lang naman. Yeah, I'm planning to do another video, a chat time, more about this topic. But yeah, I'm gonna save that for another video, and that will be exciting because your much awaited giveaway will be in that video. So, watch out for that. But for now, this is again the makeup look that I came up with, and sana nagustuhan nyo tong look na to. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would highly appreciate it. I don't have anything more to say, guys. See you again in my next video. Bye! Okay, so change of plans. I'm back. I know I said na i-include ko yung giveaway in a chat time, but I think okay lang na include ko na yun dito. Because the purpose naman of this video is to tell you guys that you don't need like plastic surgery or fillers in order to make your facial features different, diba? Makeup can do that. So, why not give one of you this palette, which is the Morphe 39A. I posted this on Facebook and sa community tab ko here on YouTube, and a lot of you guys said na you wanna win it. All you have to do in order to win is, of course, be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and comment down below anything that's related to this topic or related to this look. Kung nagustuhan nyo lang tong look na to, and gusto nyo lang sabihin na okay, or hindi nyo nagustuhan, gusto nyo sabihin na tabingi yung ilong mo, ayun. It's up to you guys. But, yeah. And also, follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and include nyo yung inyong Instagram handle just so I can check if talagang na-follow nyo ako. So, this giveaway will run until... Okay, kasi hindi ko alam kung kailan ko ito ma-upload. But, yeah. So, yun lang yung mechanics natin. It's very easy. But, if you want to win extra points or extra entries, you can share this video to your friends and then just use the hashtag Style Attempt Giveaway or SA Giveaway just so I can see. So, I'm gonna insert a picture here para mas maingganyo kayo sumali. And, yun. Yun lang. Yeah. So, ito na. Totoo na. So, that's it for this video. And I want you guys to know that you are amazing. That's all for now. See you guys again in my next video. Bye!